What's up everyone, I'm Jesse here at Crux Interfacing Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about our SOOGM-22N. The SOOGM-22N provides essential outputs including reverse, parking brake, vehicle speed sense, amp turn on, illumination, which makes it perfect for your aftermarket radio needs. The installation is plug and play, pre-wired, with no cutting, no hassles. Keep that factory harness intact. The SOOGM-22N is built specifically for the monochrome display and the color display screens on select GM vehicles. Whenever you change out your radio, typically you lose those features, but with our interface, it allows you to keep all those features and still add your aftermarket radio to your system. What comes in the box is going to be the harness, steering wheel control interface, all in one, and we will get into how to install that soon. So SOOGM-22N will come with your wiring harness, your interface module, and the install is really simple. We are going to connect all of our open leads to the leads from your aftermarket radio's harness. Color for color, more than 80% of aftermarket radios are going to have the same color codes. You'll come across a few that might be different colors, but they will be labeled and you will know where to plug them into. All right, so after you're done wiring up your aftermarket radio to the SOOGM-22N harness, it should look something like this, depending on how you decided to wire yours, if you soldered it or you used crimp caps, connectors, whatever you might have used. So we're gonna go over the interface connections first. I like to do them before I get into the vehicle so it's already all set up, so I can kind of just plug it in and test it out. So first it's gonna be the main harnesses, which go on the side. They are your speaker inputs, data inputs, so on and so forth. Then we would go to the steering wheel control. The very important for your monochrome and your color display screens is gonna be the 6-prong plug. That's what's going to give you the ability to retain those. And then we have the amplified and non-amplified, depending on what your vehicle has. Ours is non-amplified, so I'm going to put it in the non-amplified side. Boom. That's the interface connections. After that, we're going to do pretty much when you get in the vehicle, you're going to plug in your power to the aftermarket radio. You're going to connect your steering wheel controls, and depending on if your vehicle came with the factory auxiliary or backup camera, you will be connecting these three to the correct RCA inputs. Yeah, and that's how easy it is to install the SOOGM-22N. All right, everybody, we're here again with the SOOGM-22N, and we are going to show how the configuration menu still works with our interface. Push and hold the end call button for 4 seconds. It'll come up with the configuration menu, as you can see there. You're going to control it with the track up and down. If you want to enter a certain menu, you would push the source button in, and then you push it to select your selection. Then you push the end call button once, it'll take you back to the original menu. You go to your time and date, change that, push the end call to exit out of that menu as well. Tap it again to go back to the home screen pretty much. And then if you want to turn off the configurations, you're gonna push and hold the end call button for 4 seconds again, and it'll take you back to the radio settings. All right, everybody, that's it for the SOOGM-22N. We hope this video will help you on your installation, and we hope to see you guys back again real soon for our next video. I'm Jesse, Crux Tech Support, and I'm out.